Hey everyone! So in this video, I'll show you how to remove unknown devices from your Gmail account. If you see a phone, computer, or location you don't recognize, this full guide for 2026 will help you secure your account. First, sign into your Gmail account and open your Google account settings. This is where device activity and security controls are managed. Now go to the Security tab. Scroll down until you see the section for your devices. Open the option that shows devices that have access to your account. You'll see a list of phones, computers, and browsers that are signed in. Look closely at each device. If you see anything you don't recognize, different location, device name, or time, that's the one to remove. Select the unknown device and choose Sign Out. This immediately removes that device's access to your Gmail account. After removing the device, change your Gmail password right away. This makes sure the device can't sign in again. To protect your account in the future, enable two-step verification. This adds an extra security layer if someone tries to sign in again. And that's how to remove unknown devices from Gmail in 2026. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.